Hi, it's Sir Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! So in our previous video, we started reading a word that has a short E sound. So let's go ahead and continue reading a word that has a short E sound. So what is this letter again? Perfect. Yes, that is letter E, and the sound of letter E is eh. So, let's begin reading this word. So, kagaya uli ng dati, magsasound lang kayo parate. And what is the sound again pag pinagsama silang dalawa? Yes, that is be. Tapos, idudugtong nyo lang yung sound ni L, which is L. Sige, let's combine all the sound together. So, that will be bell. One more time. B, b, be, l. And that is bell. Good job. How about this word? Alright, so let's make a sound again. What is the sound of this? Perfect. Yes, that is f. And the combination of e. So that will be fe. One more time. Fe. Tapos, idudugtong mo lang uli yung sound ni L, which is L. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be fell. One more time. Fell. Alright, so how about this word? What is the sound of W again? Yes, that is U. Tapos, kapag may katabing E, what is the sound of letter E again? Good job. Yes, that is E. So, pag pinagsama silang dalawa, ang basa sa kanila ay we. One more time. We. Tapos, idudugtong mo lang uli yung sound ni L, which is L. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be well. One more time. Well. Alright, so how about this letter? This is letter J. And the sound of letter J is J, J. Good job. And kapag may katabi na letter E, so ang magiging sound niya ay J. One more time. J, J, J. Tapos, good job. Ooh. So let's combine all the sound together. That will be gel. One more time. Gel. And this one, so pag pinagsama silang dalawa, ang sound ay se. Se. And then, perfect. So that will be cell. One more time. Cell. Good job. And this one, di ba ito ang sound t, t. Tapos may katabing e. Pag pinagsama silang dalawa, that will be te. One more time. Te. Tapos, perfect. So that will be tell. One more time. Tell. And with this one, what is the sound of letter Y again? Good job. Yes, that is Y. Tapos may katabing E. Perfect. Yes, that is ye. Ye. Tapos idugtong na natin yung sound ni L. So that will be yell. One more time. Yell. Hello everyone. If this video helps you learn how to read, please like and follow Sir Ivy's Facebook and TikTok account. Don't forget to share para madami pang maturuan si Sir Ivy bumasa. Also, you may visit her YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? So, let's go ahead and read this word. O alam nyo na kapag magkatabi sila, ang magiging sound nila ay b, be. One more time. Be. Tapos, idudugtong mo lang yung sound ni letter G, which is G. Kung kailangan nyong reviewin yung mga basic short E sound, balikan nyo lang po yung previous video natin, okay? So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be B, B, E, beg. One more time. Beg. Good job. Alright, so how about this word? So, pagko-combine lang natin lahat ng sound, what is the sound of this? L, tapos, a combination of letter E, so they will be le, le. Tapos, ang sound ni G, G. Perfect. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be leg. One more time. Leg. Right, and with this word, so i-combine nyo lang uli ang sound ng letter K at saka yung sound ng letter E. So, that will be ke. One more time. Ke. Kasi 'di ba ang sound neto k, k. O, i-combine mo lang yung E. So, that will be ke. Tapos, idugtong mo yung sound or isunod mo yung sound ni letter G, which is G. And let's combine all the sound together. That will be keg. One more time. Keg. Good job! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations! So, until next video, okay? Bye for now!